Hello, trainees. I am Shane Francisco. I am the captain here at Station 35. I have 28 years in the fire service. I've been the captain here at this station since 2018. Welcome to today's training video on marine firefighting safety.
Unit dispatch, engine 16 and truck 16 with rescue watercraft 1.
So a vessel that has an emergency or stricken, or a vessel in distress, they will call on channel 16 on a marine VHF channel to the U.S. Coast Guard. Where a vessel does call on channel 16 to the U.S. Coast Guard, the sector command will make a phone call from their dispatch to our dispatch and dispatch the closest local fire agency.
Fire Station 35, 12345 543 21 test.
So when the tones go off, you'll see the lights come on in the fire station. You'll hear the tones. You will hear the dispatcher give us the call information, the location and type of call.
Your location is going to be Pier 41, it's 500 yards north.
And immediately proceed to the apparatus, whether it's a boat or fire engine, and prepare to launch the boat or get on the fire engine and actually respond. We would use 16 to initiate our communications with them while we're en route, as we see them on the horizon, as to the nature of their emergency, their current status, souls on board, and so forth. In San Francisco, our fireboat is staffed with 7 people. On the boat itself, assigned to the boat, is a marine pilot and a fire department officer. A marine engineer, they're always on the boat. They can never leave the station. They have to be there for the boat. We also have an engine company here, and that's engine company number 35. They have an officer, which is me in this case. They have a driver, a paramedic, and a firefighter in the back. When we get a call for the boat, the engine goes out of service. Those folks on the engine now become the deckhands of the boat. So we leave the dock with 7 San Francisco Fire Department personnel on board to operate that vessel. A fireboat of our size, we're an 88-foot Type 2 fireboat, has tremendous capabilities. Being a larger size vessel, we have more tools than, say, a 25-foot response boat. We have forcible entry tools, we have radiation detection, we have lots of hose to do firefighting. The door we're going into that's on fire.
All right, back up a little bit. You ready?
All right. Water, we're going to mask up.
Here we go.
And then we're going to open this door like we're going to make entry. So on the fireboat we have what we call monitors. You may call them deluge, or nozzles, or guns, if you will. The purpose of the fire monitor, all of those do the same thing. They shoot water out. In the case of the St. Francis fireboat in the San Francisco Fire Department, those monitors shoot about 3,500 gallons per minute. We have a rescue boat, a 14-foot Zodiac on the back of that fireboat. We can launch that to get underneath piers to rescue people. We can recover deceased bodies in the water as well. We try to verify the location and assess what we have at that point. Is this a live victim or is this a deceased victim? What's going to be the best way to recover that person? When we transfer onto a vessel, typically we like to tie up to that vessel so we can have no gaps. The water is moving tremendously at times. Getting across can be a challenge, so we will elect to tie up if that's possible, make it a secure connection, and then we can transfer what we need to at will. In the case of a fire on board a vessel, we're looking to transfer our personal protective equipment, accommodation ladder is a gangway staircase that hangs off the side of a ship. Jacob's ladder is just a long rope-like ladder that can hang down from a ship that's very tall, such as a cargo ship. If we had to transfer firefighting equipment, we'll probably just take ourselves up the Jacob's ladder and the accommodation ladder, and then throw ropes down and hoist up our equipment from there. For new firefighters, other advice I'd give them is to just slow down. When you're new, you go too fast, the adrenaline rush is going, you think you have to do everything right now. Stay calm and stick to the plan.